They love it when I turn off the bass.
Oh wait, I was like,
Hey, follow Connie. Connie. Stay on their back.
Yeah, don't Julie's video make you faster too? Like run faster?
No.
No, don't?
Everybody thought that in the beginning, but it's like,
That's what I thought.
oh my god, there's no... Bruh.
One in cold room.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Leatherface is coming cold room.
But this dude already found me, bro.
They're gonna come down, fuck. I barged him.
Trying to open up back door, basement.
I think there's sissies down here.
I need to go get phone charger right now.
Back door basement is open.
Alright, Leatherface's lair is about to be open.
Yeah, Leatherface is saw in here. Leatherface is in here, and Leatherface's lair, he's in here.
It's alright, I'm gone. You can be in there all he wants.
Okay.
Front door is open. Generators out back. Oh no, you
shit,
definitely don't fight. Definitely don't fight. Definitely don't fight.
Yeah, sorry. My bad. I didn't know. Someone said Sissy was downstairs. Sorry. When I thought she would have still been there.
I'm kicking Jen
Did
off.
Leatherface come upstairs?
Almost there.
Generators off.
What? I crashed.
No way.
Oh shit.
That's a GG.
Lucky.
What's with the fight option? It's a close encounter. It's to
I can't help it. I'm a fighter.
yeah, it's just a close encounter, so you can choose to fight one of the
Headphones really good ones.
the family members.
Tell them if two family members appear though. He dies.
Yeah, then it's just
I
a
did-
one shot.
Did you guys get the side door open?
Oh wait, they lost their Johnny. Front door. Front door is wide open. You can go straight to exit.
They're
Oh,
trying to kill the DC'd Anna right now.
Oh my god, I had a bone shiv. I was sitting there trying to stab him.
Damn, look at that thing. She's juicy.
Spinning, it's like almost impossible.
Wow, bro. I literally couldn't stab him. That's so trash. I get that C920.
No.
Sorry about to jump out the window.
I'm a little on that.
I can't remember which one I bought either. I think I have a C920.
What's going on? What is this place? Stay calm, Lana.
So this is the game right here that you want to play a little bit more stealthy and get as much punch as you can, because these guys are cheats. Unless they're on new accounts. If they're on new accounts, I mean,
In the door.
it's possible that they're good. I just doubt it.
So basically just try to like cut down all the ropes and shit. Try to do everything I
I
can.
think there might be somebody on the other side of this door.
Think so?
That's
Did they wait
it
on?
felt like it.
Okay.
I had a sissy do that to me earlier. Like she sat there waiting for me to unlock the door. Then when I opened it, she was there waiting for me.
They're here.
Yeah, I feel like
I
Bart
need to
someone who
hide.
opened the door with me.
Stay focused.
Front door's done. Hitchhiker
Wow.
is out front.
I just need a bone shard.
Generators out front.
Nice.
Yeah, once my shit is done, I'm gonna go start kicking Jen.
Please let my friends be okay.
Did you jump down well or no?
No, the Leatherface just came up in the Leatherface's lair. I just watched him go up. I think it's camping the top of the staircase.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. At the
Generator's halfway.
At the front door, right?
Yeah, but go ahead and unlock doors and shit like that. Just play a little safe.
I got hit in the backyard.
Generator's off.
Now, I have to go and find help.
Guys, we got them out here, so the other face is coming.
Please, let them be gone.
Julie's behind him. Julie, Johnny's on you.
Oh shit! Maybe
Gotta
see
run.
the
Alright.
You were supposed to stay in the house and unlock doors. You get your XP.
At this point, I just want to escape.
Yeah, I don't think Leatherface. Oh, he stalled. You're lucky.
Oh my god, the choose flight perk is lit.
Yeah, it's great.
Are they gone?
Hurry up.
Connie,
Yes, I got one. Oh shit! Wait a minute, I got a knife. Hold
I
up.
gotta stay away.
Now bring that ass here.
No, I don't got one.
Yeah, pinch these motherfucking hands.
Kill you!
Who's in car battery?
Now I'm leaving.
I am, but Hitch is back there.
I'm with you here. I'll go try to.
I'm out. Yes, that's all I wanted. I just wanted to escape.
I'm trying to bring him this way so you don't see.
I need to go get the toolkit over here in order to. Get...
Oh, this hurts.
It's still the door's still not unlocked though.
Hitch set a trap.
If Anna can just keep them busy, then I can unlock all.
You had to turn generator off.
Lost him.
So if I want to make
gotta get his
lockpicking
attention.
easy,
You gotta get his attention. Hitch is coming to you, Leland. Nope, he's there.
Gonna peter out soon. Always happens.
If you
Oh,
have
he's going
efficiency,
for it.
you can probably get it. 1, 2.
Oh,
You're out. Oh, it broke?
I broke.
No, get out of there.
Grapple, grapple, grapple! What the fuck is wrong with the game?
Oh, no choose flight. This is gonna be rough.
I'm trying to do Jen again.
all y'all need is a lockpick, don't y'all? Oh, here you go.
We're going down.
Yo, Leland, just keep them busy.
Really? No, they're gonna spread out. There's no way I can keep
Yeah, I
three
was
of
gonna
them
say
busy.
don't do that. You shut that door though. Oh, never mind. Yeah, if the Leatherface is chasing you, always want to shut the door so he has to stop revving.
I see.
Be safe.
Maybe I'll go for front gate.
Yeah, oh shit.
I don't have my
can-
barge yet.
You can door slam him though.
Oh shit, grapple is here.
You better get that stamina back up.
Oh shit, you're right!
It's the one to the right. Yep, all the way to the right.
I'm gonna pretend.
There it goes. Battery's about to be good. He did the lock.
Okay. I'm going.
By the time your slow ass gets there with no choose flight, you'll get it. Start sprinting, start sprinting. And Johnny was behind you.
Let's go.
Hey,
Nice.
4
Yes.
out.
Wait, is it
Let's
open?
go.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah, it's
it's open.
open.
Stay close.
Yeah, if that green light, if that green light's up, it means it's open.
No, I mean the door itself.
Yeah.
Oh, they're coming. I can barge in a second. I can't help it. I must use it. I'll hide.
Oh, you just want to use your ability, don't you?
Are you talking about Anna's pants?
Take focus.
Oh no!
Imagine you die here. Imagine you die here.
Oh my god, Leatherface is coming. You're dead.
Yep.
Oh, you troll.
It's not fair. I didn't. I was
Messed
trying to
up.
stab him.
That's just unlucky.
Hey, I deserve it. You got me.
That was a GG.
Damn. You took one for the team.